we're going to this one. Amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is we're going to a nature trail, of course, with my babe. Okay, so watch out for this vlog, my amigos and amigas, and enjoy. So in order not to get lost, my amigos and amigas, we have to follow the red line here. So it says here red line, so we go straight ahead there to follow the lake sign. Okay, let's go. Okay. Thanks, babe. Actually, it's my first time to go here, of course, with my babe. Thanks to him because we are able to go here. It's his day off. Okay, so nice, just a little bit some insects and spiders around here, just be careful. Okay. Nature park has an east, west, or center. So me and my babe were at the center of the nature park. So I wanted to see the lake. So here it is. It's nature park. Okay. my amigos and amigas, we're heading back home because the weather today is slightly gloomy and a little raindrop. So we're going back home now. So right now, my amigos and amigas, I'm in behind of the river here. So not a lot of people today, my amigos and amigas, because it's so cold, not that sunny. But according to my babe, it's a lot of people here when it's summertime. It's sunny because they're enjoying the sun. But right now, I enjoy it because not enough people. See, as you can see, no people. It's just me and my babe taking some pictures and some vlog. Okay, my amigos and amigas. So this is the end part of the video, my amigos and amigas. I'm in Walking Nature Park Trail in Chesapeake, Virginia State, USA. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me. And I like to say thank you very much to my babe, of course, because he's the videographer, photographer of my sister. Okay, bye. Keep enjoying my vlog. You stop it, babe. Just click.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night.